Hello, sweets. We're back again. Today, we're going to have lots of fun exploring different shapes. Are you ready? Let's get started. It's a circle. Circle. A circle is round and has no corners. Do you see anything in your room that looks like a circle? Yes, you can say pizza. Or a clock. Or a coin. Now, here's a new shape. A square. Can you count the corners with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Name something that looks like a square. Note paper. Tile. Chess. This shape is a little tricky. It's called semicircle. It looks like a circle cut in half. Can you think of anything shaped like a semicircle? Maybe a rainbow or a half moon. Next shape is rectangle. Show me 3 rectangle shape around you. Yes, that's right. A book is a rectangle, or a pillow, or a telephone. This shape is called a triangle. It has 3 sides. Can you find something shaped like a triangle? Good job! Maybe you found a slice of pizza or a roof on a house. Triangles are everywhere. This is a special shape. Do you know what it's called? Yes, it's a heart. Hearts show love and kindness. Can you draw a heart shape with your finger in the air? Good job! Look at this shape. It's called a diamond. A diamond has 4 sides, just like a square, but it's stretched out a bit. Can you see how it looks like 2 triangles put together? Now, let's find some diamonds in the real world. Great! A kite. A road sign. Or also some patterns. And here's our final shape today. It's a star. Stars are so special, just like you. You did an amazing job learning shapes today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and come back for more fun learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.